When it comes to blending power, exclusivity, and pure athleticism, few automakers can do it better than Noble Automotive. And this 2004 M12 GTO-3R is an uncompromisingly elite offering. Meticulously maintained and sparingly driven, this lightweight superstar is barely broken in. Instantly identifiable by its faired-in headlights, serious carbon fiber wing, and retro supercar profile, this Noble M12 is a component car that was imported to America in very small numbers. Essentially, the car would be mostly built in South Africa and have its chassis and drivetrain separately shipped to an American partner who would handle roughly 40 hours of final assembly. This allows Noble to create a pure driver-oriented offering. No matter how many times you crawl into a sports car, there's always a sense of excitement. This tailored coupe takes that energy even further with contrasting leather surfacing. A driver-oriented dash seals modern air conditioning, modern audio, and white-face gauges. The wide console finds a short shifter in front of a billet parking brake handle, and a 3-spoke Momo steering wheel navigates the lightweight around corners. The car's mid-mounted Ford-sourced Duratec V6 benefits from 2 intercooled Garrett turbos that, with the help of aftermarket upgrades, twist 460 rear-wheel horsepower and 425 pound-feet of rear-wheel torque. That power is transferred to a Jetrug 6-speed, which twists a coiffed differential. Noble has established a short but impressive reputation for selling some of the world's nimblest track cars, and this excellent GTO-3R, one of roughly 220 shipped to the US, is the perfect opportunity to experience the brand at its very best. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.